In this video, we'll discuss a 1-minute scalping strategy that can generate a 68% profit in just 100 trades. This strategy utilizes only 2 indicators, both available for free on the TradingView platform. Before we proceed, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more content. To implement this 1-minute scalping strategy, we'll first go to the TradingView platform. Open TradingView and navigate to the indicator search bar. Type Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator and select the one from J. Rogers. Next, let's adjust the settings of the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator. In the Input tab, change the open smoothing value to 8. Then, in the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for RSI Histogram, RSI Shadow, and RSI Overlay. Set the opacity for the background fill in the overbought and oversold regions to 50. Once you've made these adjustments, click OK. The Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator presents signals in the form of Heikin Ashi candlesticks, providing a unique perspective compared to the conventional RSI indicator. To complement the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator, we'll use the Exponential Moving Average (EMA) indicator as a trend guide. Go back to the indicator search bar and type EMA, or Exponential Moving Average. Select the EMA indicator. Adjust the settings of the EMA indicator by setting the EMA length to 350. Then, customize the color of the EMA line in the Style tab according to your preference. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using these indicators. If the price candlesticks are above or break out above the EMA 350 line, it indicates a bullish trend. Focus on entering a buy position. Wait until the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator candlestick changes color from red to green. Ensure that the price candlestick is bullish. If all conditions are met, execute a buy entry after the closing of the price candlestick. Place a stop loss at the most recent swing low and target your take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. To initiate a sell order, if the candlestick is below the EMA 350 line, focus on entering a sell position. Wait until the Heikin Ashi RSI Oscillator candlestick changes color from green to red. Ensure that the price candlestick is bearish. If all conditions are met, execute a sell entry after the closing of the price candlestick. Place a stop loss at the most recent swing high and target your take profit using a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5.